Amerika Qurolli qismlari shtab boshliqlari birlashmasining raisi Генерал Марк Méyli Xitayning Amerikaning eng chong geosiyosiy raqibi ekanligi va uning yaqin arada harbiy jihatdan Amerikaga besim paydo qilishga qattiq tirishayotganligini bildirgan.
China is the one country out there that geopolitically has the power potential to be a significant challenge to the United States. And they are. They're based on their population, their technology, their economy, and a bunch of other things. China is the greatest geopolitical challenge to the United States. And China is not shy about their goal.
Lekin Генерал Méylining aytishicha, Amerika mo jim turmagan bo'lib, Xitoyning Amerikaga besim paydo qilib, uning dunyodagi eng qudratli harbiy kuch bo'lish g'arazining amalga ishishiga qarab turmaydi ekan.
The United States military is number one, and we intend to stay number one. And our task, militaries only have two tasks. We have a single purpose, really, which is to either to prepare for war or to fight a war. And we are laser focused on that. And we intend to stay number one. China is not going to be a better military than the United States military is.
Генерал Марк Méyli 16 noyabr kuni Amerika Davlat Mudofaa Ministeri Lloyd Austin bilan Amerika Davlat Mudofaa Ministerligining 5 burchakli binosida o'tkazilgan axborot yig'inida Amerikaning yaqinda e'lon qilingan yangi davlat mudofaa strategiyasida Xitoyning nima uchun eng tahdid deb qaralganligiga tushuncha bergan.
They have made gains in a wide variety of areas in cyber and space and land, sea and air.
Генерал Марк Méyli mundaq degan. Biz bu orqali nima demoqchi? Biz Xitoyning Amerika Qo'shma Shtatlariga geosiyosiy jihatdan jiddiy xiris paydo qilish yoshirin kuchi bor birdan-bir davlat ekanligini aytmoqchi. Ular buningda nüfus, texnologiya, iqtisod va boshqa bir qator omillarga tayinmoqda. Xitoy Amerika uchun eng chong geosiyosiy xiris paydo qildi. Xitoy o'zining bu nishoniga yetishda ikkilinib baxmadi. Ular bu asrning o'ttirlarigacha, ya'ni 2049-yilgacha dunyoning birinchi nomerlik kuchi bo'lishga Uning aytishicha, Xitoy yaqindan beri bu nishonga yetish qadamini tezlatgan bo'lib, u ilgari 2030-yillarda yoki 2030-yillarning o'ttirlarida Amerikani besib tushadigan rayon xarakterli eng kuchli davlat bo'lishni planlagan bo'lsa-mu, lekin hozir u nishonga yetishni texmi oldiga surib, buni 2027-yili ishga oshirmoqchi bo'lgan. Lekin Mark Méyli Amerikaning buningga qarab turmaydiganligi, Xitoyning dunyodagi birinchi nomerlik kuchli davlat bo'lish g'arazi amalga oshmaydiganligini bildirgan.
So they want to have a military that outdoes the United States military regionally by the mid-30s. They had previously said that. And then they advanced that goal to 2027. And what they have said is that they want to be the equal to or superior militarily to the United States. That's only 5 years away. So they're working on that, and they're working on that very, very hard. But we are not static, and we are working on it. Right now, the United States military is without question, despite whatever criticisms people have, the United States military is the most lethal war-fighting machine on earth, bar none.
Ular bu nishonga yetish uchun tirishayotdi. Buning uchun intayin jafoliq ishlamoqda. Biroq bizmo jamiyatmidik. Bizmo tirishayotmiz. Shubhisizki, kishilar tanqid qismi, lekin hozir Amerika armiyasi dunyodagi eng ajallik urush mashinasidir. Uning aytishicha, Amerika o'zining birinchi nomerlik o'rnini saqlab qoldi ekan. Shunaqla Xitoy harbiy jihatdan Amerika armiyasidan kuchlik bo'la olmaydi ekan. U Xitoy tirishchanlik ko'rsatsa-mu, biroq bu nuqtaga bora olmaydi degan.
And they believe that it's their day in the sun. They believe it's once again time for the Middle Kingdom to be number one. So that's what they're shooting for, and we are not going to allow that to happen. The United States military is number one now, and we are going to be number one 5 years from now. 2027 is not going to be the date that China becomes number one, and we're going to stay number one the entire time. And as long as we remain number one, then we will deter the war that people worry about, a great power war between China and the United States.
Генерал Марк Méyli bu so'zlarni Prezident Bayden bilan Xitoy rahbari Xi Jinping 14 noyabr kuni Indoneziyaning Bali shahrida o'tkazilgan 20 davlat guruhining boshliqlar yig'ini asnosida ko'rishib, ikki davlat orasidagi ixtiloflarning to'qinishga aylanib ketishining oldini olishni muzokara qilishning orqasidan aytgan.